welcome back to my craft room. If you're new to my craft room, then welcome. I have a small Temu haul I want to show you guys today, mainly because I want to get this done because I have some t-shirts in here that I got, Christmas t-shirts that I want to go wash up and be able to wear for the rest of this week. I was so happy that they got here a little bit earlier than I thought they would, but I'll list all the items below and the links to all these things. Like I always say, if you don't see the link, then that means they're sold out, and I can't, because if you click on it, nothing comes up. If they're sold out, it just says sold out and that's it. So if you don't see it, then sorry, they're probably gone. But anyway, I'm pre-recording this because this is my infusion week, so I figured this would be really easy to do and get this done so I can wear these babies. All right, this first one here I got, it was $8.49. And you always got to watch the sizes. Every single one, none of them seem to be exactly the same sizes. So always check their size. They have that list, a drop-down list of, your bust size and your waist size and all that stuff. So just make sure you check them because a lot of them are sized differently. But I love this one. It says, "'Tis the season." And it's got, oops, I knocked my thing down. It's got a little Santa hat and a present and a tree and this little cup here, and it's on this gray. I did get a 2XL in this, only because I like them loose. I don't like them to just fit. It's like all these shorts I have from Temu. I love this one too. Let me turn over here. Come on here, say hi. But yeah, this one too is in the gray. What's this say? This one just says Merry Christmas. And this one matches my sneakers that I have for Christmas from Temu. So that's pretty cool. Let me turn you back here. But yeah, I love this one. And when I get them, I always wash them up. And this is a nice, I think this is going to be a nice loose fit. I love that for my cookie baking weekend that's coming up here. And then I got this one here. This one is, this was $8.49 too. And I like this one. This one just says, "It's fine. Everything's, I'm fine. It's fine." Let me read the right way here. It says, "I'm fine. It's fine. Everything's fine." And then it has all these lights that are all tangled up. And that's pretty much how my weekend's going to go, trying to get caught up here and get everything done this week. Because like I said in my other video, we had no appointments this week, which turned into 4 appointments this week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So that's why I am doing these pre-recorded. So anyway, hopefully this weekend I can just really get going. This one I also got in a 2XL just because I wanted it to be, I like them to be nice loose fit. So that'll be fun. These will be fun. I'll be wearing that shirt probably by Sunday because I'll probably be crazed trying to get everything done for Monday. And now this one I got, this one I thought was nice. I can actually wear this one probably all winter, not just Christmas. And this one is just a gray. I got a lot of gray, didn't I? I just like the way the images show up. Man, this got a string hanging out. Let me cut that off. There we go. But this one is just a gray t-shirt with a big old snowflake on it. This one's a little bit shorter than the others, but I think it'll be fine. And I don't know, does this have the size in it? Maybe it says on here how much. This one was $8.09. Yeah, this is a 2XL too. I don't even wear a 2XL, but in their sizes, like I said, you got to read all your measurements and stuff on there and just make sure that you get the right size. So these will be nice and comfy. I love loose, comfy t-shirts. And these are a heavier t-shirt than some of their other ones that have like patterns on them and stuff like that. These are just, I don't know, they're much heavier. So got that one. And I want to get these all washed up because I always wash everything before I wear it when I buy clothes. I did pick up 3 of these. I'm going to give a couple of these away for a gift. And these are little cake testers. How cute are these? I used to have one that my grandmother had. And I don't know whatever happened to it. But it's just, let me take this one out of here. Oh, and it even has a little protector on the bottom. Isn't that nice? Come on out. There we go. So you can just stick this down in your cakes or whatever you're making to make sure it's done. And it just says cake tester on the top there. I just thought that was a cute little thing. Got one for myself. Actually, I've been using the one I have because I've had this stuff here for about, I don't know, 3 or 4 days. So I did do it with my banana bread to check, and they work like a charm. So how much were these? These were not expensive. These were 58 cents. So So I picked up 3 of them. 2 of them I'm gifting and 1 I kept myself. So yeah, these are always nice to have. Very nice. So that was those. And then I did pick up another pack of these rubber stamps. These are the clear ones. And these just have all kinds of sayings in it for your card making. And I don't, you know, I never have enough of these, you know, to make like a little saying in my card. And this one says, it's Christmas in the heart that puts Christmas in the air. 'Tis the season to be jolly, fa la la la. La 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 la. They got that one good. Sending holiday hugs from miles away. Merry Christmas from our home to yours. Candy cane wishes and mistletoe kisses. Sending all of our love this Christmas and always. Wishing you a very Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. This one, little one here, just says, to you with love. It's the most wonderful time of the year. Have a warm and cozy holiday season and spreading festive holiday cheer. So that's all the, I don't have a piece of paper. I did, where did, oh, it's right here. It was hiding on me. Anyway, there we go. It just shows up better if I have something behind it. But those are the sayings. You know, and you can print them out. I usually do them on a white piece of paper and then do another border behind them, you know, like in a red or a green or whatever your card you're making. And it looks really pretty that way. So, got myself some more sayings for next year because, like I said, I just have not had a second to get into all my card making materials over there. I'm just looking at them. They're sitting there all nice and pretty, ready to go. And, yeah, it's just not happening this year. So, hopefully next year. I picked up a bunch of these that I want to gift too, and these are little lottery ticket scratchers. I thought that would be cute. You know, you get a little gift card or whatever with some lottery tickets in it, and then you add this little scratcher. Looks like a little scraper, but they're to scrape your lottery tickets. I thought that was something fun, and these were 29 cents. So, you know, cute little gift, 29 cents. There you go. How many of these did I get? 2, 3, 4. Well, I got 6 of them. So yeah, I want to gift those. And then I got these for my double yellowhead Amazon parrot who loves to play with these toys. And these toys like on Amazon and stuff, they are so expensive. He has some out there that I probably paid like $10, $15 for. And he still plays them like every day. He just loves anything that makes noise like this. And I think I did put up a video a while back with him playing with one. But yeah, I got him that one. I got him, and then I got him this orange one. And they take 2 AAA batteries. So this one, they're loud too. And the lights, he just loves these things. Okay, let's see. There we go. We got it to stop. But I don't know. He just loves, he'll pull these things off of here. He doesn't care about those things. But, you know, and even the expensive ones, after a while, he'll just get the buttons off and they're ruined. But these were only $2.52. So, and these, you know, for a kid, these are great too. Well, that's what they're made for. I make it sound like, yeah, you could use it for kids too. But it says 18 months and older for these toys for them, but they're really nice, and they're I don't know, they're well made, and he had these before. Now this last thing I have here, like I said, this is a really short haul, but I wanted to get it done so I can get my t-shirts washed. I have not seen these for years. Maybe I just have not been looking. These are pull bows. These were $5.34 for 12 of these bows. I used to get these. We used to go to an auction house thing years and years ago that I used to get these out. Let me find one here that'll show up. They're really nice. But there's let's dump them out. That would be easier. I already used one out of here. So I can't even say. What did I say? We get 12 of these for $5.34. But how pretty are these bows? We have this one here. This is Merry Christmas. I will pull one apart here to show you guys how they work if you haven't seen them. This one has just a striped bow. This is just a plain green bow. This one's real pretty. Maybe we'll do this one. We have red, and here's another one with more stripes. I know they don't look much in the little package, but they're pretty cool. This one's got little packages on them. This one's real pretty. I love the color on here. It's more like a moss green with the trees. Here's another plaid one. Here's a pretty one with just some gold stripes on it. And this one has gold snowflakes. Bye-bye. That thing's saying bye-bye to us. Doesn't say what size they are on here. It does on the, when you look them up on Temu, it'll tell you, but I can't remember exactly. But anyway, you take these little guys out of the package, and I just love these. These are so much fun. And it comes out looking like this, and like it's a pull bow. You take these two little pieces that are on the inside here, and you just, I do it very slowly so it doesn't mess up, and you just pull them, and it makes this really, really, really pretty bow. I mean, look at that. How easy is that? And it has the little tails there that stick out. Aren't they pretty? So nice, so easy. And then what I do is I cut this off, and then I'll kind of like wrap it around one side and the other side and make a knot so it'll stay, so it doesn't unravel. So that's what you do. Actually, I'll just do that now because I'm going to use this anyway. So if my nimble fingers here want to work today, sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. That's why the crafting has been very minimal lately, because I'll tell you what, sometimes you can't really even notice that my hands shake, but it's like on the inside. It's the weirdest feeling. But anyhow, there we go. So then we get that down there like that, and then I just tie a knot in it to keep so it doesn't unravel on me. Hopefully I got it right. I don't know, guys. Yeah, there we go. I just give it a couple. Well, I always do it in threes. No matter what I do, I always knot in threes. Don't know why. All right, there we go. So then you can even, I don't know, is this like a curling ribbon? I wonder if you could curl this up, because I would use the extra that I just cut off. Let's see what happens when we try to curl it. Oh, it so is. I didn't even do that. I threw the other stuff away when I did it. So you could curl that ribbon, and then here is all this extra that came off of it, and you could like double that over and curl that up. Oh yeah. Oh man, I am so sad that I didn't even think about this when I did the other ones. You could put that underneath before you glue it down or tape it down. Ugh, look at that. You have all these pretty, well, I need to separate those a little bit. There we go. Pretty ribbons hanging underneath here. I have more yet because I cut that off. All right, so, well, my next package is going to be much fancier because I know that this ribbon that you pull, it curls. So there you go. Tip of the day, if you get these, it has curly ribbon that comes with it. That'll look so pretty. I'll just put these underneath there and have them stick out, one on this side, one on the other side. How pretty will that be? All right, well, that is it. That is what I got from Temu. I'm going to go wash my t-shirts now and get them done so I have them to wear for the rest of this week into Sunday here while I'm doing my cookie making. And I have another craft video that's coming up this week and another haul on Friday. So thanks so much for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this little teeny haul, and I will see you guys all next time. Have a great day, everyone.